Hey everyone, it's Patrick again. I'm here to bring November's supplement of the month. I know with all the festivities coming up, everybody's thinking about what foods they're going to eat and eating all those dishes that are delicious, but not in our normal routine. And a lot of times, just eating those different foods, ones that you don't normally eat, can kind of throw off your gut health. So I want to talk about probiotics. Now, specifically, this one here is ProbioMax. It is a fantastic, just upside down. It's a fantastic, just routine probiotic. I know we've all heard about them. They help keep the good bacteria alive and flourishing in your digestive tract. And it's so much more than just making sure the food is going through fine. There's so much research being done linking the bacteria in your gut with your immune system. It helps produce vitamins that are crucial for everything else to work in your body, and it just helps with your overall health. So, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out, give me a call, ask. If you're already taking a probiotic and you want to know what's the difference between yours and this one, feel free to give me a call and you can ask those questions as well. I look forward to talking to you next time you're in the office. Bye, guys.